one and all. My name is Bhagya. I am studying grade 4 in Alphabet Techno School. Today I am going to explain about types of animals based on their food habits. We categorize animals on the basis of the food that they eat. There are three types of animals: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores, animals which eat only plants and their products, are called herbivores. Examples: cow, buffalo and zebras. Carnivores, animals which eat only flesh of other animals, are called carnivores. Examples: lion, tiger and fox. Omnivores, animals which eat both plants products and flesh of other animals, are called omnivores. Examples: crow, bear and human beings. Thank you.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.